Section 6. The Audi Q7, a commanding presence on the road. The Audi Q7 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of style and power. The Audi Q7 is a larger SUV that offers 3 rows of seating, providing ample space for up to 7 passengers. This makes it an ideal choice for larger families or those who frequently travel with friends. It is perfect for families on the go, offering both comfort and convenience. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute, the Q7 ensures everyone travels in style. The Q7 has a commanding presence on the road, turning heads wherever it goes. Its robust build and sleek lines make it stand out in any setting. Its bold design and spacious interior make it a top choice in its class. The attention to detail in both the exterior and interior design is evident, showcasing Audi's commitment to luxury and performance. Like the Q5, the Q7 is available with a range of powerful engines, ensuring that there is a model to suit every driving style. From efficient daily driving to exhilarating performance, the Q7 delivers. This includes a plug-in hybrid option, which combines the best of both worlds, electric efficiency and gasoline power. This makes the Q7 not only powerful, but also environmentally conscious. The Q7 also comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing superior handling and stability. This system ensures excellent traction and control in all weather conditions, from rain to snow. This provides excellent traction and control in all weather conditions, making the Q7 a reliable companion no matter the season or terrain. The Q7's interior is luxurious and refined, featuring high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience. It is packed with advanced technology features, ensuring that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained on the go. This includes the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system, which offer intuitive controls and a seamless user experience. The Q7 offers a comfortable and connected ride for all passengers, making every journey enjoyable. With its blend of luxury, performance, and technology, the Audi Q7 truly commands the road.